did that one.
Oh, hey.
Hey!
Hi, I'm Danielle Flynn.
Hey, I am Joel Wheels to the Floor Morgan.
Oh my God.
Whoa,
And
whoa.
Steven's actually
Steven's
with us.
in the shot
We've
today.
got the iPad up in the window, and we're inside of the Planet Fitness Rockin Ride. We just got done hanging out at the Planet Fitness in Livonia. Super nice people over there. Brett, Lauren, thank you for the hospitality. And who else did you give a ride to, Joel?
Kyle.
Robin and Kyle.
Yep, there you go. So today, in case you didn't know, is also Unity Day, which is an anti-bullying.
That's dumb. Unity Day is dumb, Donnie.
What could Joel have done better there?
Donnie, Unity Day sounds interesting. How can I participate and be a positive influence to our fellow mankind?
Joel, I'm glad you asked. You can wear orange today to help celebrate Unity Day, which again is bringing a spotlight on the concept of anti-bullying. So I have an orange scarf, and you know what, Joel? I have an orange shirt too. So there you go.
All right, and that's one to grow on.
All right, so we're hanging out in Livonia. If you're old, you should have found that funny. If you watch Saturday morning cartoons, you better have found that funny.
Announcement.
We're in Livonia. Livonia's very fancy, Joel. They actually have their own official tree, and that's the Almy crab tree. And then you said that there's also hi Steven, shut up. Do you have any Livonia? It's anti-bullying day.
It's very nice. Everything's within driving distance.
It's
Dude,
happy, it's friendly,
Steven.
it's safe. Livonia is an all-American city. Do you know that the Livonia Amateur Hockey Association is the biggest one in all of Michigan? It's produced several National League hockey players, including Mike Modano and Al Iafredi, among others.
Yeah. Did you know that, Steven?
No, but there's a Sears.
One of the last Sears in America.
He's literally
is right
looking
here.
at a Sears. You
Yes,
can see
he
it
is.
through the look at that.
Sears.
Good show prep, Steven. That's excellent.
America shop.
What about a Coney Island Inn?
You are
There you
making
go. Speaking of cones,
days so hard on me,
nice
Steven.
segue,
So
Steven.
hard.
Speaking of cones, you know, all summer long we've driven the Rockin' Ride. Danielle has never had a chance to do it. It's time for Danielle to get her license to drive the Rockin' Ride. We've got some cones set out right outside of Planet Fitness. Here we go. We're gonna scooch her over.
Oh my God!
All right,
My God!
all right, watch out.
Okay.
All right. All you gotta do is put your foot on the gas, baby.
This thing does not have
There you
power
go.
steering. I will rock this.
There you go, Donnie. Woo! There you go.
You guys didn't have to take driving tests.
Cones. Okay. All the way around. Turn the wheel. Turn.
I'm not making the other cone, Joe. I'm not making the other cone.
Okay, now go around. Go around the other way.
Oh my God!
All right, go watch out.
I'm not gonna hit him. I'm not gonna hit him. Steven, watch out!
All right, the cones. Watch the cones.
I got
All right,
this.
now turn this way.
Oh my
Turn this
God.
way.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna cut it. Okay, keep going. That's my scarf. It's Unity Day. Did you know it's Unity Day in Livonia? Livonia. It's the WCSX City of the Week. I'm Joel Morgan.
I'm Danielle Flynn.
We're American shop.
We're American Shops, Livonia.
Steven,
WCSX.
you're really making Unity Day hard for me. City of the Week. Thanks for hanging out.
Woo!
It was so hard.